I recently got this box from Harbor Freight. Apache 3800 Pelican box wannabe. I had a coupon, so I got it for $34. There we go. Quality seems to be okay. It's got a nice lip and a rubber gasket seal. So it's got the little valve down here. Keep the water out. Some instructions on how to use it. So I got this for a range box. I could put 3 or 4 pistols in here and securely transport that way. Let you see how this compares in size. So there fits a 4-inch revolver, a 5 1/4-inch XD, and a XD Mod 2. So they'll all fit. I want to stand them up on end though. Take the top layers of foam off. They're pre-cut squares, so you can just kind of custom fit it without having to cut anything. Downside, if I want in like this, you can see we're tight front and back. So what I'm going to have to do is turn them, and they will all fit nicely. This little guy, he'll fit either way. It doesn't really matter. But when I'm setting, can't quite, maybe. I'm going to have to investigate that. Either set them like this or set them like this. I might be onto something there. All right, well, right, wrong, or indifferent, I've settled on a layout. Cut a couple, got 2 more to do. It's just marked out. Seem to be all right. Yet, big kitchen knife. It's good and sharp, and then just kind of work it down. This takes 2 hands, and I don't have 2 hands. But anyway, work it along, back up. The whole thing pulls out real nice. Okay, made my cuts. One layer, second layer,